Long story short, sight unseen. Apparently it does have an oil leak, but it's supposed to run, drive, whatever. So I just got, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got the trailer. I think it's back there. I hope it's back there. I think I hooked it up. So yeah, I will talk to y'all in a little bit.
So you didn't trust not trailing her in it?
Hey. So we started out this day. Woody, what do you think about it? $1,000, sight unseen.
Yeah.
We've already got it on the trailer. She runs, she starts, she's got a brand new battery. So it is hot out here. I'm gonna get her. Well, we gotta go buy straps. So just opened up the back and I got free parts. Looks like tie rod ends, sway bar bushings, or sway bar end links, whatever. Free parts! But brand new strap here in my little Woody. Well, we got the first kit bag. Somebody robbed the first aid kit. Dude, but I ain't gonna lie, like, it's got a sunroof. What? But it's hot, so.
While you're here, I might help you throw this thing.
Run, Woody, run!
See that blizzard?
Yeah.
What's that?
Hey, come on.
That moved. This is wet. Like that?
What is it?
I like a big one.
Oh yeah? Do you like it?
Yep.
Yep. Is it mine? Yeah?
Where did you get it?
I bought it from a guy.
Two guys.
I don't know. I can't remember his name.
I do.
You do? What's his name? Huh?
Papa.
No, I didn't buy this from Pawpaw. So Hunter just happened to point out
Hey.
I'm missing a wheel. Oh my God. That's not cool.
It's not cool. The tire on.
Yeah, the tire fell off.
Wait.
I know. Oh my gosh.
That's dirty. I like your car.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta figure out where Pawpaw's tire went.
What?
I gotta figure out where Pawpaw's tire went. He's missing a tire on his trailer and he's gonna be mad.
Hey. Did you get that?
Just tell him you did it. Say, I did it, Pawpaw. I'm sorry. No? You don't want to take the blame for me?
I like this truck.
You like it? Well, we gotta get it unloaded and let's go find the tire. You got it, buddy?
What you doing, Hunter?
Taking this off.
All right. Good job.
You're fixing it.
Okay, fix it.
That's the whole shit.
Okay.
Hey, Hunter.
What?
Look. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't say hi, tell her.
What did Daddy do?
Papa's gonna be very mad when he takes this wheel off.
Oh, yeah? Do you want to go show everybody what I did to the other side?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna show cool.
Hey, you want to show Pawpaw?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What?
He said,
You broke it?
No, Daddy.
Where'd you get my screwdriver?
I gave it to him. He's pulling the hubcap off.
What's like here?
Oh no.
What'd you do, Hunter?
You.
I did it.
Did you break that?
No.
Did we?
Who broke my trailer?
Dad.
Hey, did we go look for the wheel or the tire?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you fall asleep so we couldn't find it? You did fall asleep.
We're taking it on the tail off for now we can fix
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We're going to take the other tire off so we can fix it. You getting it?
I will get it.
Try. Here, try. Here. You twist it, I'll hold it. How about that? Alright. No, other way, other way, other way. Oops, see? You got. Okay, now try. No, other way. Keep trying. Keep going.
Didn't screw out.
Oh, look at that. Now you can get it. Yep, get it out. Oh, now we got 2 more to do. Yep, here, I'll hold it.
I think this one's hard.
Yeah, here, you want me to start it for you?
Yeah.
Well, that one is hard. Here, I'll get it to the end, okay? Okay, I get it. All right, we got 1 more. Okay, here, oh, sorry. Here, hold that up. Don't let it fall. Push it. No, push it. Okay, get it. Oh no, where'd it go?
I can't find it.
Yeah, you can. Okay, look. So, let me see that. Put it here. You put your bolts in here. And we dropped one in here, so let's look for it. Do you see it?
No.
No? Well, it's down there. Did you find it?
Yeah.
All right, where do we put the bolts?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we got to pull these bolts off.
Why?
Cause here.
They're hard.
Yeah, they're hard. I'll don't judge me. All right. Get it? Yep, pull the trigger. Wow, okay. Here's one. Uh-oh. What do you do with it? All right. Get the rest. Yep, that was.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, wow. You got it.
And things on here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's hard.
It's just.
Or getting
Yep.
these off.
Yep.
It's just only 3 on there.
No, hit it again. Hold on to it tight. Good job.
2 left.
Yep, 2 left.
Yes. 1. It's sticking there.
Yep.
This is very
Yep.
heavy.
Yep. Ooh.
One in the glass. Very heavy. Can I do some more?
No, I mean, later. We got more to do. Here, you wanna hold this? You wanna record me?
No.
Here, hold it. You don't wanna record me?
No.
No? Okay. Oh yeah? Are you fixing it? All right, so we need to measure here to here. So we can get our axle measurements.
Do I have to do this one?
No, we're not. No, we may have to take that one off. I don't know yet, bud. What are you? Here, hold these. Here, go put those where we don't lose them.
Well.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. You know where the tape measure is?
No.
Hey, where'd you put the tape measure?
Oh, sister.
Where'd you put it?
Sister.
Sister doesn't have it. I have a feeling it's going to take a lot longer than I want it to, so I'm just going to see y'all in a little bit.